Hi, it's Paula Canal here from Canal Crafting. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of these dynamic cards. See how the butterfly flies up the card. So we start off with a card blank and a mat, and I'm going to adhere the mat to the card blank. And I'm going to put that to one side. Now I'm going to take another piece of card and two of the Circles Framelits dies and my Big Shot. And I'm going to put the cardstock on the Big Shot and then line up the dies, actually that way around. So that like so. Then I'm going to put the plate in and I'm going to do a partial cut. So I'm just going to put my plate just partially across the dies, and then it will only cut that area. Now remove these, you'll see that I've cut here. And what I'm going to do now is to take my metal ruler and a craft knife. I'm just going to cut this away. So we've removed this piece here. I have my butterfly and I have a strip of cardstock, and what I need to do is to find the centre here and find the pivot point. Now the pivot point will be the point at which this will pivot and the butterfly still be, or the edge of the cardstock still be visible gap there. So I'm going to say it's about there. So I'm going to use my pokey tool, yes, that's the technical term, and I'm just going to mark that point. Then I'm going to take a small silver brad, which is one of the mini brads, which are a little bit fiddly, so please bear with me. Put that through the cardstock and then through the little hole in the pivot or in the lever, and hopefully a little bit of that will stay in this window that we've cut at all times. Open that out at the back to fix it in place, and then on the very narrowest part I'm going to put a tiny little bit of Tombow, and I'm going to stick on my butterfly. So that when I move it, the butterfly moves. Now obviously I don't need quite that long a lever, so what I'm going to do is just snip off there for the time being, and we can adjust that up later to be more accurate. So now I'm going to adhere this panel to the card. So I'm just going to use some dimensionals. Like so. Now we're going to decorate the card. So I've used the pansy punch and cut out a number of little flowers. And you'll see that the flowers actually conceal part of the cuts. Now I've cut, using the bird punch, some leaves. So out with the Tombow again. Just making sure all the time that we're not obstructing the movement. There we go. And for the sentiment, I've just cut a sentiment out using the word window punch, and we'll just add a rhinestone to the edge there, and there we have our completed card. I hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial. I hope you'll try it for yourself, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Thanks for watching.